NOCO Traffic, Skywagon 4490 Romeo is 10 to the south, going to cross midfield for left traffic 15.
NOCO Traffic, Airport Operations Vehicle and pacing crew currently on runway 1533. 1533 is closed. NOCO Traffic.
And NOCO Traffic, Cessna 44690 Romeo. Can we land on 24? Is 624 open?
Cessna to the south to the jet center. As far as I'm aware, 624 is open. Just be careful on your approach.
Okay, very good. NOCO Traffic 4490 Romeo is crosswind for left traffic runway 6 NOCO. NOCO Traffic 90 Romeo is left downwind 6 NOCO.
Hey, Rescue 44, operations.
Operations, just want to confirm aircraft break. Ground, just confirming the aircraft has crashed in the middle of the runway.
Negative, 44, if you take Charlie Alpha north to runway 6. It's on the north side of 6.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Yep, head out to the ramp, get onto Charlie, go north on Alpha to runway 6. And we're over about midfield on the north edge of 6.
Copy that, north end of 6.
And Airport Ops, this is Jet Center, how do you read?
Jet Center, go for operations.
Hey, do you guys need us to bring the crash card or assist you in any way?
No, man, you're good, thanks.
Alright, let us know, we'll monitor the frequency.
Much appreciated.